Absolutely loving this larger rolling desk. It's an elevated system, so it's much more flexible for whether you just need to do a presentation with a laptop or you need to move it around and adjust it to any height. It's literally one touch and you're good to go. What I'm loving about it is it's a laminate top, a steel and aluminum bottom, so it feels super sturdy. The wheels move so easily, and even if I have an iPad in here, a laptop, I'm not worried about them tipping over because it feels just really well made and stable. There's also a cup holder here if you're so inclined. 22 by 28. The height adjustability is 30 up to 44. So I love that I can just with one touch reduce it down to sitting. And then depending on the user, it's a one touch system to raise it to height. Then I can go all the way up if needed. So if I wanted to put it on a walking desk, it's a little bit too tall for me because I'm petite. So I like to lower it, but it's super easy to do. What I love about it is I find it really easy to move. So if I need to work on a project here, I need to take it to a desk or a chair area, I guess even a bed, lower it down. When my back starts hurting, raise it up, and I can really move this. There's so much space in here. I could easily put two laptops side by side. I love that it has the slot for an iPad or a book, or I can use a lot of materials and products if I need to really rotate between them. Whether it's a tight space like a dorm or office space or a small conference room into a very usable workspace. And I love the flexibility. I love the sit and stand adjustability. I love that the wheels move so easily. For me, it helps with the limited space we have. It helps with my back strain, so I'm not having to be sitting all day. Allows me to have a mobile solution that I can literally roll anywhere I want. And I think this would be great for a shared workspace, a classroom, anywhere where you have to be standing giving a presentation and may need to rotate between standing, a bar stool, or a chair height. I like that it's a great solution if you don't have a desk in an environment because it is so large that I could easily have my laptop and a full notepad or two, have space to write and work. Really great for like a student, a teacher, or someone like that. And it's not bulky. So it's just something that could be a solution. It's not obnoxious. It's a nice neutral color palette. So I really feel like it could work in any environment. It took me about 12 to 15 minutes to assemble. I didn't need any special tools. And it is lightweight, but it does hold up to 17 pounds. So if you do have more durable, heavy duty products that you need to put on top of this, it's pretty sturdy. I mean, I can really give it a good go and I'm not worried about it tipping or anything like that. So I feel like it could replace a traditional desk. I feel like it's great for laptop work, studying. I feel like it's a good solution to go between a large space and a small space, sitting, standing. It's better than a fixed standing desk. And if I need to roll it under any other furniture, I have the flexibility to do that. I'm really pleased with the construction, the size, the flexibility of this. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.